Hey y'all, I'm back. Finally finishing up the chair. No, just leave it in the box. Yeah, I finally got something to talk about, right? So, I've been putting up this chair for about 2 days. Y'all seen I started on the other vlog. Y'all gotta excuse me, y'all looking greasy. When I get my life together, I promise I'm gonna be looking better. But right now, this is motherly duties. I not cut myself trying to put the chair together. Yeah, I not put the whole chair together backwards. I don't know which one it is. It's nowhere else. I not put the whole chair together backwards. Had to undo it. Had to put it back together. The twins' dad had. Well, I had called him and asked him if he had a wrench. And then y'all don't know him, and he don't want to be seen, but he is a Gemini. And I have a love-hate relationship with Geminis, just all together. So I guess I'm in the phase where I'm that, not hating him, but like, I don't know what kind of, I don't know. It's like, I want to say I need his help when it comes to my kids, but every time I put forth some energy to say I need something, like, I don't know if it be pride of God, honestly. And I'm not confused. It's just, so back to the chair situation. So when I called or whatever, I asked him, did he have a wrench? And he was like, okay. He was like, yeah, I got one, but you either have to come get it or you have to wait till I come. So I was on some stuff like, okay, well, I not put the seat on backwards, so now I need the seat taken out because it was kind of heavy. So he was like, oh, well, I ain't doing, basically he ain't doing no backwards work. Like, I made it harder for him for the chair, blah, blah, off of it. So I said, you know what? Don't worry about it. I'll figure it out. And that is some pride stuff. Because he always say, whether it come down to my kids or anything, I be having a lot of pride. And I don't. I just know, I believe in God higher than anything. The government, people, men, women, dog, cat, animal, sun, moon, whatever. I believe that God is higher than all of that. So when you trust in him, everything going to be supplied. I literally just told this man, okay, I don't care if it's pride or whatever, or yeah, it is some pride. I get it done. Like, I don't need your help. And that was the end of the conversation. When I tell y'all, God supplied every single tool that I just needed. I just took the whole chair apart and redid it. Now I'm finna put it back on right. It's like, that's why I said, I don't know if it's God or it was my pride. Because pride do be having you like, I don't need nobody and you really need somebody. In this case, I feel like, yes, I really needed that help, but once I said, okay, it's over with, I don't need you, God just showed up and showed out. He supplied every single thing that I needed, like every tool. So, I ain't gonna say it was pride, it was strictly God. Like, he come through and do his thing. And y'all, I'm finna put my chair up, and I'm gonna tighten everything how it needed to be tightened. I'm finna put my chair up. Sure is. One of my screws is missing. I don't know where it went. Hold on, y'all. Let me find this other screw. I'll be right back. Because these are 2 screws to screw that in. I got 2. And y'all, I'm so still. My legs hurt. Y'all see another screw? See what I'm saying? Gotta do it. He will. And I just cut myself. I almost got frustrated because, baby, listen, these hands is for braiding and doing hair. You putting wigs on. These hands ain't for no mechanical work, or not mechanical because it ain't a car, but you know, labor for real. And baby, I just did that all by myself, like. And I'm gonna get me wrong. Yes, I got a brother that probably could have did it, but it's just a matter of me. I not figured out. I ain't gonna say figured out because I ain't got life figured out, but I really done figured out like anything can be handled. Whether you paying somebody to do it or what. I could have paid somebody to come do this. I could have, but for what? That's me going back to me waiting on somebody. I ain't have time for all that. This locked in, and baby, half of the time, these clients don't care. They sit down in the chair, and it's going to be what it is. But they want to sit down and get cute. I just don't want them hurting themselves sitting down. You feel me? So, yeah. This is what it is, and like I said, oh, I should put this back on first. All right, y'all. Watch me from a bar. Let me take this back off, cause this gonna make this thing heavier. Yeah, I don't know what the girls watching on YouTube. Now they not calm down. As soon as I turn the camera on, they want to get hot. Now they calm down. Yeah, I'm so stiff from working out. But I'm gonna keep going because I gotta go. And y'all, I said I was going to keep these braids up. My hair stinks so bad. I want them out today. Let me finish tightening these up. I'm finna fix you some. I'm almost finished, girl. Your girl is almost finished.
Can I help you?
Woo, this thing came in so handy, Lord. That ain't no wobbly, ain't nothing loose. Huh? Yeah, can you slide it over here? Look, y'all. Oh, it's my chair. It's so beautiful. I can't wait till y'all see my hair when I finish with it, y'all. I'm working on it. I'm gonna make me a backdrop, a wall. I'm sitting in this place. My big girl, help me. This thing is heavy.
Ow.
Okay.
It's stuck.
Okay. One way. Okay, you okay? Okay, sorry. You okay? Okay, hand me that other silver piece. This who I need. Them. This who I need validation from. Them. And God. No, the silver. Yes. It's okay, she got it then. Thank you. You can hand me the paper, please?
I said, number J is put the chair right there. Number J.
Letter J. It's not number J, it's letter J.
Hey,
she had that. Why would you snatch that out of her hand? Can you say, let me see it? Can I see it? No, Danielle?
Can you see it?
Yeah. There you go. That's how they go. Okay, now how y'all supposed to let it down?
Mommy, you see this? Mommy, you see this? Mommy, you see this?
I need to see it. Thank you. Okay.
Is it this or number J? Yes. Oh, I keep saying that.
I don't know, but you gotta get out the back.
Not.
Y'all gonna help me pick it up?
Oh, yep. Can I help you, Mommy?
Oh!
Get that.
Hold on.
Okay. I'm gonna hold this side. This side.
Come on, take it off the right here. There you go. Yeah, it's going on top of this. Let it go.
Oh. No, we don't got it.
It's not on there? Okay, no. 1, 2, 3.
Almost there. Yeah. We are there.
Hold on. Wait.
Y'all, we are fixing the chair so dark. I know. Yeah, I want the chairs so dark because we're so light. Let me talk. Let me talk. Mommy, I say, better. I want it. I say up for her, and we love it. Definitely, I do my hair. So,
Back up, man.
no, what? You go first, and then I go for a second.
Okay, y'all. It's on there. I gotta let them
Wait.
go.
You said I have to get. Yeah, and then I'm gonna get her second. I'll do my hair. Can I see it on me? I'm in a big gear chair. Can I in it?
Yeah, you do.
Mama, I want it. Come on, see it.
Yeah, I don't know why it ain't pumping up. I don't know if I did something wrong. All right, y'all, let me finish. Okay, get down. Get down. Get down. Get up there real quick. You gotta pump it with your feet.
Can I do it? Why are you not popping? Okay. I know how to do it. Well, I know how to do it. Mama, got to get Mama.
Yeah, pump it to make it go up. Come on. 1, 2, 3.
How
I don't
to
know.
it up?
I don't know, y'all. I'm gonna figure it out, but we'll be right back. I gotta put the bottom part on. Yeah, stop playing with me. Period. All done. All put together. Yeah. All done. All put together. All screws all tight. Yeah. Done. It's my little stool.
Get off it.
Yeah, I probably not scraped it up right there. Oh, I hate that for me.
Oh, look at that.
It's okay.
You just did it.
You making it go up. Now hold it and press it down so it can go down. Yeah.
Do it up.
Look at that. Do it up.
So that's how you do it. How you do it up?
It's going. It's up. Now hold it and let it down like that. That's how you let it down.
Now I know what to do.
Ah, so heavy! Thank you, Crystal. Yeah, I got a mat coming for it. The mat will be here Tuesday. Oh my gosh,
Mommy,
Mia.
how you put it up?
Look at your feet, girl. You need to take a bath.
How you put it up? How you put it up?
Pump it.
How you put it up?
Just press on it. Keep pressing it. Not so hard, just a little bit. Look, let me show you. Just a little bit like that. See, you feel it going up?
It's your turn. It's your turn to be what coming up.
All right, it's y'all turn to get out of it. Yes, ma'am. You just want to keep putting it up. All right.
Bump it. Dump it.
That's all.
That's all. Mommy,
Peace out. Say peace out.
Peace out.
Now I'm gonna feed them.
Mommy,
And then do
I'm
me my
popping
hair.
dumping
I'll probably come back and show y'all my
in
hair.
Peace. Mommy, I'm popping